Hello, my name's Jim. I'm part of the Orangebox team and I'm going to run through how to set up the being chair. If you drop your hands by your side, on the right hand side you'll discover a paddle which affects the seat height. So if you put it up when you're on the seat, you're going to drop down. If you take your weight off, the seat will rise up, and you want to get it in a position where your thighs to trunk angle are roughly 90 degrees. Seat depth, you'll find the control again on the right hand side, and if you pull that out you can slide the seat backwards and forwards. And if I park my bottom towards the back of the seat, I'm now going to check that there's a 2 or 3 finger space between the front of the seat and the back of the knees. When it comes to the backrest adjustment, you can grab the back anywhere and pull it up. When it gets to the very top, you can drop it back down and start again. And the desired position is where the protruding bit of the backrest is in the small of the back, in your lumbar region. You can also fine-tune the backrest by inflating the lumbar region or deflating it. So there's a bulb that lives just at the back of the backrest. I can squeeze that and that pumps air in. And if you feel it's too much, there's a button that actually lets the air escape. You can affect the height of the armrest by depressing the button on the side. And they want to be at a position where you feel like your forearms are being supported when your shoulders and elbows are nice and relaxed by your side. There's additional fine-tuning of the arms, and you'll find a button just underneath the arm pad, which means that you can actually rotate the armrest slightly out, straight ahead or slightly in, and you can also actually rotate it a full 180 degrees, and that brings the pad slightly in if you're on the slimmer side, or in my case I want to rotate it the other way so that the arm pad is slung slightly further out. I can grab the arm pad anywhere, and I can also affect the distance from the front of the chair. So it might be that the desk is feeling like it's a bit too close to the arms, you can pull them back, or if you want additional forearm support you can pull them forward. On the right hand side there is a dial here, and if you rotate it forward it's going to provide more resistance in the chair, and if you rotate it backwards it's going to give you less resistance. So play with that until you feel like you're moving freely but with support. When it comes to reclining in the chair, there is a paddle on the left hand side. If you pull that up you're going to get a full recline in the chair. If you have a desired position to actually have it locked, you simply push the paddle back down and it's going to stay in that position. To unlock it, just pull that paddle back up again and you can freely move again. There's one last adjustment which you might find useful depending on the kind of work you're doing. If you drop your right hand down by your side towards the front, there's a paddle that affects the angle of the seat. So if you take the weight of your body off the seat and you turn the paddle down, that's actually giving you a forward tilt on the seat. Park it back up and the seat remains flatter. For the additional arm width adjustment, you'll find it underneath the arm here. So there's a toggle, and if you pull that down, you're actually able to slide the width in and out into the desired position, and then pull the toggle back up and that clamps it in place. So that's it from me and the Being chair. Thanks for watching, and visit our website for more info.